This pillow is covered in years of sweat stains, and most people would probably throw it away. But today, we're going to see if we can actually bring it back to life. The first step is soaking the pillow with OxiClean powder. Take a look at this water. This is all of the sweat, dirt, and body oils that came out of the pillow. Yellow pillow stains usually come from sweat and body oils that soak deep down into the fabric over time. And once they build up like this, normal washing usually doesn't remove them. That's why soaking them in OxiClean first can make such a big difference. After soaking it, pull it out, and I'm going to spray the pillow with OxiClean liquid stain remover to attack any stains that are still left. Let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then we're going to place it into the washer. Wash the pillow. Make sure you don't wash it by itself though. Add another pillow or 2 pillows to balance the load. Use warm water and your normal laundry detergent. Shut the lid, press start. After washing, give the pillows a good fluff. This prevents them from getting lumpy and from balling up into clots, and they keep their shape better. Then put the pillows in the dryer. I also recommend adding a couple of dryer balls or tennis balls. This will just help beat out any excess moisture so they dry faster. And when you dry them, be sure to dry them on the low heat setting. All right, here's the big reveal. The pillow has finished drying, and as you can see, the difference is massive. The yellow sweat stains are gone and the pillow looks almost like new again. If you found this video valuable, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And if you want to know the best way to remove odors from your clothes, click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.